Smile, everybody. Just on our way out now. Come on, Marcus. Okay guys, just had a meal in Jojo's. If you want to see the review on it, go over to Marcus's channel, Benidorm Crazy Marcus, have a look on there. He did a review while we were in here. Very, very nice it was. Yeah, I was surprised. Really good. I'll say the review will be over on Marcus's channel. So then have a look over there. Just in a bits and pieces video today. Just going to show you some bits of what's going on around here. That's what the Western Saloon bar's looking like at the moment. I'm sure it won't be long. Well, I've refitted it. I think that's what the hold up is at the moment. The ambassador probably opening. And I want to get all this work done out of the way. Nice to see that back open now. There's a sign. You know it's going to be back very, very soon now. Pretty well finished over at the ambassador now. Just doing some work around the pool and stuff. The 1st of October apparently. That's alright, it's 1st September. Yeah, sorry guys. You still see, I think what they're trying to do is build the Western Saloon up. It's just down the road there, I don't think you can see it. There you go. That scaffolding bit is. Just trying to build that up before they open, I think. Nice to see that one back open again. You can hear me guys, very customers over the road there, back open. Just be a few more people about. Great bar, great pizza in there. Great tapas. Just doing a bits video today, we're just going to walk around, just film bits. Lady Costa's bar. Okay guys, saloon bar there. Did try and reopen, it's shut again, I don't know getting any customers in. Obviously it costs money for staff and stuff. Most of the other bars are open now. Hope you've seen on some of the other videos. Don't forget the Jojo review. You have to go to Marcus's channel for that. Go and have a look at that. I will link it in the end of the video. Have you been there, Marcus? I don't know.
Alright guys, go check out the review on Jojo's. Absolutely beautiful food. head on over to Benidorm Crazy Marcus YouTube channel and check it out.
So guys, we're just trying to do a bit different today. Commiserations about the football yesterday. What can I say? I think Southgate didn't pick the right people for penalties. That's my opinion. There's a quick view over the seafront of the beach. Lots of stuff carried on as normal. Doesn't seem quite as packed today. Back on Monday though. It's always a bit quieter on Monday. Okay guys, see you in the next bit. Big bar down the bottom there. And we're still there. Right up for the sail there.